Yo, what's going? Tuesday's here. Have a quick look at gold at the minute. Let's have a look at the news first, though. There is none, basically. Yeah, no news. We've had an unemployment rate in UK this morning. It's actually worse than expected. It's not surprising. But yeah, other than that, no news. We've got a US bank holiday today. So, yeah, not sure what the London session will be like. Might be a little bit less volume, potentially. Obviously, will be later on, of course. Yeah, we'll see how this morning goes, see what it brings. I've got a little limit order set up on ES. Short in the previous week value area high, and lines up quite nicely with the previous day point of control. Essentially, the short went for last night. I shorted it last night, and yeah, it was stopped out, I think, by a tick before going to take profit. Annoying. The end of the day yesterday, 1 hour down because I had a win earlier on in the day. It's easy to see on the top of that. Those executions quite nicely. That was a loss out in stream, and then I caught a nice short later on in the day, just after New York Open. And then towards the close, tried to get a short and stopped that by a tick. Went to take profit by a tick. Shopped around for the rest of the session. So. Let's see. We've got 25 minutes still, London Open. Not really sure on the bias today. We had a bit of a just a spread profile yesterday. Obviously, because we just went up pretty much. So I like the idea of a short from the previous day point of control, which is where my limit order set up. To be honest, I think the only other trade that I like the idea of, us putting back into yesterday's range. And I think I like the idea of a long from 832 area. So I've just marked out the high volume nose today. We've already found support at the top one. this morning. But yeah, if we do fall deeper into there, which I expect, I would like to think we'd find support here. And I don't know if we'll come all the way down to the value area low. We'll long from there if we get down there. Well, I'm just looking for gold. I never trade, well, I've traded gold in ages. Never trade gold without volume profile. I feel like the long from the previous day value area high is looking quite good. Lines up with the Asia Open as well. Always, it's quite a good spot on ES to be to get a reaction from. I'm not sure about gold. This might have a cheeky little long on gold. The issue I have with taking a trade in gold is not really any clue on what sort of size stop loss I'd want. And so long since I traded it. Sure I had it on my notes written down. Lost size of gold. See if we can find that. Probably I've got so many notes. Took me ages. No, I can't see anywhere. No, I can't see anywhere. What to do without? All I like was 1, 2, 2. What free? What free? It might not even come down that far anyway, but day as well. Bear with me, guys. I'm just trying to figure out my my stop loss size for gold if I do want to take a trade on there. We've got 15 minutes until London opens. Yeah, potentially something like this. We put my stop behind the this high value node. Keep an eye on it there. Keep an eye on it. Or ES is digging down. I was expected to see. I like the idea of long from 833, 832 area. If we get down there. We might get a push up maybe with the London Open potentially. Maybe we'll get that short in from the Bruised Open as well. Yeah, a bit of a frustrating end to yesterday. So I got a win in during the New York AM session, so I was break even on the day. Yeah, try one more towards the New York close. Yeah, I got stopped out by a tick before running to take profit. So yeah, end of the day 1 hour down yesterday. Taco, yo man, how you doing? Always got to start with the updates and bad news. Oh no, what happened? Lost accounts. Bad day yesterday, was it? The 10 accounts Friday. Even though I wasn't trading because I was going to New York, woke up at last hour before market close and took up before some 15 minutes. So I was late for the radar, mate. This is calm, kind of blew 5 resets and made 1,500. Broke. Oh man. Yeah, man. Slow it down with the account. Yeah, maybe yeah, focus on one for a bit, or at least just one prop firm. Walk before you sprint kind of thing, innit? Yeah, although you can trade, it's just the you need to get the risk management down, man. So the 10 accounts you do, are they funded accounts or are they just the challengers? Oh, what we got? 6 minutes. So a bit more volume, hopefully. Getting the gold chart set up if I do take it. 1, 2, 2, 5 on it. Alright, that is all in place. So we do 1 micro on the funded and 2 minis on the account. Alright, gold trade set up. 40 seconds till London Open. Alright, London's open. Just up my risk slightly on this gold trade. Well, sorry, reduce my stop loss. I think 4.7 points over it was probably a bit much. Back in the room, Nathan. Yo, how you doing, man? Sorry for being there a while. I've been focusing. Not very good at multitasking. Ask my wife. We funded 8 challenges, 3 were almost funded until the trader had 5 days and needed like 3 to 100. Oh man. That's sucky, that is sucky. But yeah, definitely just focus on one prop firm for a bit, man. Yeah, take it slow, take your time. Nathan, you're a gold trader, aren't you? You trade gold sometimes. I'm sure you come in and say gold is moving and stuff. God, what's a reasonable stop loss size? It's been so long since I traded gold that I can't remember what a reasonable stop loss size is. I had like sort of 3-ish points in my head. Let me go on to see it a bit clearer. But just like looking at the previous day volume profile, sort of come to the conclusion I was at like 4.7, and that just seemed a bit excessive. So I've managed to get it down to 3.2, and I think I'm happy with that. But yeah, is that like a ridiculously small stop loss, or is that about right? Or obviously just for a quick scalp kind of move, nothing major. But it's just been so long since I've actually traded gold. I can't remember what I used to use, and also it was probably a year ago, so it could be different anyway. Yeah, it'd be interesting to see what happens here. We're either gonna break down below this level or push back up and get above the current day value area low. Will determine which direction we're going for the time being, I think. Still got my short set up at the previous day point of control previous week at the RFI. Got my haircut today, it's well needed. Got that at 10, so I'll be shooting off about 9:30ish probably. If I'm still here then, of course. But then really, I've only got, I think, one more haircut until Christmas. Come around quick, innit? That's just how I judge all the time now, is just how many haircuts until. I think that would have been a great place to go short there. I don't really think about it quick enough. We had about 70, nearly 100 contracts executed aggressively then. Lined up with this large seller here. Current bias is down anyway. Yeah, market order in could have gone break even straight away. Not quite a bit of take profit yet, but I did see it on the book, but it was only like sort of 68 sitting there. And yeah, I was normally sort of taking that sort of trade, just looking for the quick move off of a large execution. I would normally be looking for over 150, 200 this sort of time during the London session. New York session, not over sort of 500. It's quite good, but yeah, it's about 100. But yeah, I didn't think about lining up with this large seller. Gold just pushing up now anyway, so might not even get filled on this, but I'll leave it sitting there for a bit. Yeah, quite a bit of volume sitting down down at these levels. This is where I want to buy from 832. Testing current day value area low. Man, it's freezing in there. Another boring London Open. To be fair, it was about, what, half hour yesterday before it started ramping up. Yeah, maybe half hour, maybe 15 minutes, depending on how you want to look at it. Tuesdays tend to be choppy days, don't they? We're looking heavy. I mean, if we take this low and keep pushing down, and that's probably confirms the short bias, at least initially. So it could potentially look to ladder down in a short position at some point, but I'll be holding out for maybe a long position later on. Oh, half hour in. Nothing much really going on. Could have been a nice short opportunity from the 850s area, but I missed it. So. Yeah, the move down looks likely. Taking the low, still pushing down. Gonna try and trade my accounts here and pass. How much funders for Wednesday, but now I'm gonna chill. Trading up Wednesday and wait. I want you for a little nice Saturday, mate. Yeah, definitely don't plan it out like, oh, I'm gonna be passed by then so I can trade then. Like, just focus on the trading and don't even focus on when it's passed and stuff like that. Yeah, just focus on every trade individually, and yeah, before you know it, it'll be passed and you'll trade it when it's ready. Definitely not a good idea, I don't think, to be like, oh, I need to have passed it by this day so I can trade it then, and trade New York session. Then you're just rushing it, and you're rushing it. Yes, I hope you're good. You still like the weekly catch-up videos you used to do. I understand you're busy with baby on the way. All good. Yeah, cheers, Jonathan, man. Sorry I don't do them anymore. Yeah, life's busy. Life's busy. I mainly stopped doing them at first, to be honest, because trading wasn't going the way I sort of wanted it to go. And I needed to focus on that. Obviously, there's only a certain amount of time in the day, isn't there? And I wanted to make sure any extra time that I had was focused on trading. And I've just never got back into it. I stopped doing like the vlogs because I'm not really a vloggy sort of person. I don't really do anything with my time. I literally trade or just chill with the family and that. I don't tend to live some kind of interesting life that everyone's going to want to watch. So yeah, I stopped doing them. I do at some point want to pick back up the if it's like a weekly end of week sort of trade recap sort of video, or I want to start maybe looking at doing like short videos of like my trades that day and stuff like that. So it's something I'm wanting to do. Actually doing it and it's a different matter, but yeah, I'm glad you enjoyed it, mate. And yeah, sorry I don't do any more, but I do plan to at some point plan to make a bit more effort with YouTube. Because at the minute, the only thing I do is literally live stream. And obviously, most of the people that used to watch my long videos don't watch my live streams. So yeah, at some point, I'll pull my finger out and do something. Yeah, cheers for hanging around, man, and being patient. Yeah, I think now the baby's here, so that's just taken all my time as well. Spending time with him and the wife and stuff. But he's 6 weeks tomorrow, so at some point got to stop using that as an excuse and yeah, do a bit more work. Yeah, I just lost the motivation for it after a while. And yeah, I mean, I'm the sort of person that if I don't have the motivation, no, I just won't do it. I can't do it. I procrastinate and stick around, and I have to really enjoy what I'm doing to find the motivation to do it. And yeah, I got to a point where I wasn't really enjoying it. And I think that was because it was the vlogs, like trying to think of stuff to record every week, and like I'd have to be going and doing stuff that I don't normally do just to record something, which isn't the sort of way I wanted to go with YouTube. So. Man, training has felt quite boring the last few days. There's not really been any great levels. November's already here, time flies. Yeah, man, 1st of October. 1st of October, so yeah, 6 weeks today. Tomorrow. So obviously, as you can imagine, that takes up a lot of time. But he's cool, man. Just, yeah, just been enjoying spending time with him and the family and stuff. But trading wise, mate, if you want a little update on how my trading is going, I've been last couple of months been trading the best I've been trading all year. October I had a $1,000 month overall, 3 funded accounts. And yeah, July wasn't too bad. August was better. September fell a little bit, but yeah, October was really good. Considering I had obviously baby on the 1st as well. Had a sort of couple of weeks, wasn't looking at the charts, then slowly started looking at them again and taking the odd trade here and there, and was sort of back properly on the 20th. And I'm now risking more per trade, and I've got an extra 3 funded accounts as well because TopStep gave me them with the from that AWS issue they had. They deleted a positive day from me, so they've given me 3 funded accounts. So I've now got 6 funded accounts to copy trade, which means P&L should look quite different this month, hopefully. And I'm still chipping away at trying to get a Take Profit Trader Pro account. Got another 4K to do on this one. Stalled the last week really, a little bit, but not making any stupid decisions. Trading it sensibly. Well, yeah, man, they're better than they were at the start of the year, that's for sure. I hope you're keeping well there, Jonathan. Hope you're doing alright, mate. How's your trading been so far this year? Has it been going alright, or it's been a bit of a tough year, I think, this year? With the old Mr. Trump. in US session. Value area high on ES for exit. Oh, you in a trade, yeah? You're in a short. Nice, man. I never mark out like the US session. Alone, you find that beneficial, do you? Value area high is right at the top. US session. Correct. I've got value area high right up here, man. Two funded accounts. Oh no, man, that's unlucky. That's unlucky, man. Funded accounts are so hard to get, isn't they? It's hard work keeping them when you've got them. Just on the top. Okay. Nice one. We are moving down, but it's a very slow grind down, isn't it? Yeah, Jonathan, I'm liking the idea of maybe looking at a little long from 832 area. But the biggest node from yesterday down at this sort of level. I just can't see us coming all the way back to the value area low. Could potentially do, but 832 would be, yeah, what I'm sort of thinking. Long from here, take profit probably at this next node up. The only thing I'm really liking, to be honest. I like the idea of a short from the previous week. Value area high, previous day point of control. But we didn't quite get the had it set up when we were up here, and yeah, we didn't quite get there, annoyingly. And I've also got as well a long position set up for gold. I never trade gold. Haven't traded gold in ages. I thought it looked quite good. Gold's obviously been pushing up quite a lot recently. And yeah, just along from the previous day value area high and Asia Open as well. Quite often get decent reactions off of Asia Open on ES. I'm hoping the same on that gold as well. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see. Zahan, how you doing, man? How you been? How you been? Getting them back. I won't stuck around with them now. Play it safe, man. You'll be fine. Chat, buddy. I'm in New Zealand. It's a bedtime. Catch you soon. I hope the trades hit. Take profit. Yeah, cheers, mate. Yeah, no, enjoy. It's got to be what, 1, 2 in the morning for you ish. Well, no, I don't think it is. I'm sure it's 1, 2 in the morning ish during New York session, isn't it? Is that right? So it must be late for you. What, 10-ish? But enjoy, man. Have a good one. And yeah, good luck with the getting the accounts back, mate. And yeah, try and keep them. See that, man. Take care. Did that attacker, mate? take care, and good luck with the trading today. If you're well, tomorrow for you, if you're trading, brother. Play it safe. Play it safe. I'm gonna cancel my previous day control orders. We're not gonna be up there anytime soon. Zero. I think I'm going to call it with the stream, guys. There's not going to be any trades anytime soon. Maybe in a couple of hours. But yeah, I've got my haircut booked for an hour's time as well, so better get off and get ready for that. Okay, man, poor timing, mate. I'm just heading off. Should have got up earlier. No trades though for me, K-Man, so far. I like the idea of a long from 832 area on the ES. Probably a lot of levels, to be honest. Just seeing if I can catch something off this high volume node, but that's not going to be for a while. And I've also got a long set up on gold, which I never trade. But again, doesn't look like that's going to be hit anytime soon. Just a long from the previous day value area high. So that's my thoughts on the day anyway. If we get there or not, doesn't matter, but yes, take it easy, K-Man, if you're trading today. Play it safe, play it sensible. And yeah, I'll see you tomorrow, mate, if you're around. Have a good one though, guys. In a bit. See you later.